Hello guys, this is FairBinaryOptions.com and we are continuing our Binary Options Academy project. And under the Binary Options Academy project we have a series or more than one series talking about fundamentals and what to look for when you are trading binary options, as markets are being moved both by technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Now the fundamental analysis comes with the all-important economic calendar. Few people know that the economic calendar is actually free to be found out over the internet. Just go and Google economic calendar. One of the best, from my point of view, economic calendars is offered by forexfactory.com. This is by no means an advertising for that website, but I'm just saying what I am using. So under the Forex Factory you have the economic calendar, and the economic calendar looks like this. This is Friday, May the 2nd. And you're looking at the economic releases to be to come out of this day. But if you click, for example, on this week, you have this tab here. This week, then you have all the economic events that were released this week, and you have here the week from the April the 27th till the May the 3rd. May the 3rd being on tomorrow, of course, and you have all these releases. Now I would like to guide you a bit through the economic calendar, not necessarily to talk about the economic releases and stuff like that, but what I would like to do is to show you the description, how to use the calendar and so on. First of all, as you can see here on the economic calendar, you have the release. This is the name of the economic release. When markets are moving, or when the currency pairs are moving, they are moving based on the differences between the two currencies that the currency pair is representing. For example, if you are trading the euro and Great Britain pound, one side of the story, besides the technical analysis, will be that the pair is going to move based on the differences between the Eurozone economy and the United Kingdom economy. If you are trading, for example, the US dollar and Canadian dollar, the US dollar and Canadian dollar pair will move, other than the technical analysis, will move based on the differences between the US dollar and the Canadian dollar. Now, on the economic calendar here, what you have first of all is the date of the release. So this was April the 29th, and these were all the releases on the April the 29th. This is the April the 30th, and so on and so forth. May the 1st yesterday, and now it is May the 2nd today. So the first release to come is in Europe, Spanish manufacturing PMI. At this moment of time, see this green arrow shows you all the time the economic release that is about to come. And then you have the currency here. This is the currency that is going to be affected, or let's say that is going to be influenced by that economic release. For example, we are expecting today construction PMI in the United Kingdom, so the Great Britain pound is going to be affected. Or yesterday we had the ISM manufacturing PMI in the United States, and the US dollar is affected. So if you are trading binary options based on US dollar pair or based on the Great Britain pound pair, then you should be aware that at the moment that these are going to be released, markets are going to strongly influence, to be influenced by this economic release. Now these are the events that happened this week and that are going to happen today. But if you click here on this arrow, these are the events for next week, starting with May the 4th until the May the 10th. So we already know what the market is going to expect next week. These are all the economic events. You even know, if you click further, what are going to be the economic events to be released 2 weeks from now. What I'm trying to say is that this economic calendar is vital. It's extremely important. It is being formed out of economic releases that are repeating themselves, as the most important thing when you look at such an economic calendar is to look for the central bank and the central bank meetings when they are coming to change the interest rates. Anything in between, like the CPI here, or the GDP, or the pending home sales, or the trade balance, anything in between is just preparation or market trying to interpret what is happening on the economic side, and what the central bank is going to do by the time they are going to meet and establish the monetary policy. Now, this was the first part of this introducing the economic calendar. On the second part, in the second recording, I would like to guide you through the previous and forecast, and to have one or two examples with these releases. So stay tuned here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and it is part of our project Binary Options Academy. Bye bye.